ready to start another project here at the house. Get ready to put a pool in. It's going to be a 15 by 30 pool. As you can see over here in the background, I have some area that's marked out with some flags for the area that I got to pretty much excavate to get it down to level. So I'll be working on that today. Got the Kubota out, ready to go. So see how this works out. Start digging and try to get this level. I borrowed a rotary laser level to help with the leveling aspect of it. And once I get the ground all level, then I'll start erecting a pool. The pool I purchased from the pool factory. And everything came in rather large boxes, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll start digging, take some photos as I go. So here we go. Alright, here I am digging. I got the rotary laser level out to help try to keep me on grade. It's high on the right side here, so I'm taking a lot more dirt over from there, and then obviously the left corner closest to us is where this is the shallowest, so I got to go a lot deeper in the far right hand corner. And there's piles of dirt that I moved so far. So I'm getting there, slowly but surely digging this hole out to put the pool in. So, see you soon. Here's a pile of dirt I've dug out of the hole. As you can see, it's quite a big pile. And here's the hole here. Still got to get it level. Behind the center, and I got to bring that right corner down. It's still high there, but I'm getting there. There's the Kubota. It's working great.
My husband trying to dig a pool.
Well, today is the end of the first day of digging. As you can see, I got a lot done. I'll walk over and let you take a look at what I did. Excuse the camera bouncing as I'm walking here. I would say I probably moved, probably easy 10 to 15 yards worth of dirt, maybe even more. Quite a bit. But this may look like it's not level, but it is because the ground's not level. The ground actually slopes here. I have a rotary laser level going, and for the most part, it's not too bad. I got to tweak it tomorrow a little bit, but closest to me, it's 3 feet there, and then goes out. And right now, this hole is, I believe, roughly 18 by 33. So I will work on getting it fine-tuned tomorrow, and then once I have the hole set where I think it's adequate, then I can start putting the frame together. All right. All right, this is the end of day 2. Been a good part of today just working on fine-tuning, getting this as level as I can be. Obviously putting a pool in, you don't have a whole lot of tolerance there, so you have to make sure it's as level as can be. And pretty much with the rotary laser level going all the way around, as you can see the crushed stone there, I'm right on point there. I would say I'm a half inch, if not less, getting around all the way around level wise. So from this point on, I will start erecting the frame and start erecting all that and go from there. Got a lot done. See you soon. I just give an update. This is day probably 4 of this project. I'm working on getting the, they call these buttresses, getting these in place level. I'm digging out for the base for the footers. They're 2 by 8 by 16 patio blocks sitting on fine crushed stone. I'm using that to get everything level. And then you look at this back level here between these two. As you can see, it's right on the money. I'm using the laser level, which is set up over there, to get me at least rough into where I need to go. Then I use the 4-foot level and a small little 8-foot level there to fine tune everything. So what's next is finish getting that one dug out, and I'll put the stone in between them, and then I'm not sure if the pressure plates go in yet. But if they do, I'll get the pressure plates in. Then there's strapping that runs across to tie in over here when I put these uprights in. So some back-breaking work, I must say, but overall, so far it's coming out pretty good. So see you soon. Just an update as to where I'm at. I have all the buttresses are in, everything is leveled out. I have the ovals are in, or the circles. As you can see, everything's sitting on patio blocks, and everything's level from that side to this side. And what I'm working on now is just doing some final grade. This is what they call screened. It's really small rocks mixed in with dust. I'm going to use that to just get everything to grade. And then next will be sand, and then put the walls up. After the walls, then go to the liner. And then I'll have to get it filled. And then after it's filled, I can start backfilling. I'm not sure what I'm doing this side. I may get a slurry cement mix for this side because it's going to be so deep underground, just to reinforce it. So that's where I stand. We are getting a pool filled with water. The water truck came out, carrying 4,000 gallons. Hoses ran up there. So this will be the first delivery of water. And we'll be back with another 4,000 gallons. So far so good. Hasn't collapsed yet. It's always positive. Doing the final bonding, ground bonding of the pool. Number 8 gauge bare wire is running around the entire pool, and it's secured in 4 points, approximately 18 to 24 inches away from the pool, as per code. This side, secured, going all around the pool, and it connects on itself here where it terminates